Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy rib stitch knitting pattern. Friends, it is called shaker stitch or half fisherman rib stitch knitting pattern. It is reversible knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this and from the wrong side it looks like this. So it can be used from both sides. You can use it from this side or from this side. This pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, caul, scarf, shawl, etc. Friends, it is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the even number of stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 10 stitches on my needle. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. We will knit all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side, purl 1 stitch. You can also slip this stitch or you can purl this stitch. After that, yarn in back. Now we will knit to 1 stitch from below. From here we will not knit this stitch like this. We will knit this stitch from below. Insert a needle here and knit 1 from below. Now drop the stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit to 1 from below. From here insert a needle from below the stitch and knit 1, purl 1 and knit to 1 from below, purl 1 and knit to 1 from below. Insert a needle here, purl 1 and knit to 1 stitch from below. So friends, after the 2 rows the pattern is ready like this. Right side like this and from the wrong side like this. We will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 2 rows we will get pattern like this, from the right side like this and from the wrong side like this. So friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.